Hello, you're welcome right back to my channel. So for our 3 ingredients chocolate cake from Oreo biscuits, keep on watching. So you can share this video, like this video, and if you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. So for ingredients, I use 3 packs of Oreo plus 2 packs of biscuits, the type you buy for children. First, start by separating the cream in the biscuits. So I removed the biscuits, and with a spoon I separated the cream and kept the black biscuits, that is the Oreo biscuits, apart. You can also blend everything together. Then I added the biscuits in a blender and blended it. Then I added a tablespoon of baking powder. Mixed everything together. When it was well combined, I added a cup of milk. And by the way, I started with just adding half of that cup of milk and mixed everything together, and the mixture was too thick, so I added the remaining part of that 1 cup of milk to get the consistency, the right consistency for my recipe. So when you add a cup of milk, you also add the cream in between the Oreo biscuits. So I mixed everything together, combining everything together. So look at the consistency. So this is the perfect consistency needed for our black chocolate cake, right? So after thoroughly combining and mixing everything together, I oiled my pots. I'll be using a pot. I do not have an aluminum pan, baking sheet or baking pan, so I'm going to be using my pot. So yeah, I oiled it and added a little bit of flour, and now dropping in my chocolate batter, my chocolate cake batter. Shake everything together. I don't have a steamer, so to make my own steamer, I added water, a sieve and stone in it, and sat my pot my pot of cake in the sieve. So covered everything up. After like 30 minutes, this was what I got. My skewer or my toothpick came out dry, so meaning my cake was done. So here is the cake, as beautiful as ever, and I used my chocolate ganache to decorate it, and also used some shaved chocolates to do my decoration. Okay, so it is time to taste the chocolate cake, because our cake is ready. Very moist and yet firm, very delicious. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.